Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through a step-by-step process on how to recover deleted responses from Google Forms. First, open Google Chrome and click on the apps icon in the top right corner. Now click on Docs from the list of apps. Next, click on the three lines in the top left corner to open the menu. Then select Forms from the options. Now click on the form you want to recover the responses from. Once in the form, click on Responses to see the collected answers. Now click on the three dots in the top right corner of the responses section. Then click on Move to Trash to delete the responses. After that, tap on Go to Forms home screen to return to the main page. Next, click on the three lines in the top left corner again and select Drive. On the left side, click on Trash to view deleted files. Find and click on the form you want to restore. Then click on the three dots next to it. Finally, select Restore to recover the deleted response. Now go back to your form and you should see the responses restored. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.